Welcome to the post market report of 8/7/2022. Today I made a loss of 2,234 rupees, but this two trade I took yesterday for doing some option hedging in buying. That means option hedging strategy in buying for took profit gap up or gap down, but it was failed. Right now I am testing this strategy. If it gives good result, I will explain in my later video. But actually I made a loss of 1,255 rupees today. These two things I do hedging at the last time, but I little fear to have a open position on Friday. That's why I closed in loss. But actually I bought and put stop loss for this trade only. Let us go to the order book and explain what are all the trade I took and how I made a loss of 1,255 rupees. This is my order book. Here you can see I closed this two trade in the morning. I buy it in yesterday. I bought 16,200 put option and sold 16,000 put option by yesterday evening to catch gap down opening profit, but it today market opens in the gap up, so I ended with 800 rupees loss. If market opens with gap down, maybe I ended with 1,200 rupees profit. I am trying one of the option hedging strategy. Right now I am testing it. Whether it gives good result, I will update later. Let us go to our intraday today. I bought 16,300 put option around 195 rupees. Initially I put 179 rupees as a stop loss, which was the candle low. You can see here in Zerodha chart 179. Here you can see the low 179. Later I change into 170. I feel somehow it was little higher. After that I changed into 173. Market took my support and exactly reverse at this point. You can see here my order was executed around 1340. Okay, the 1340 candle low was 173. Here you can see that here you can see this candle low was 173. This is how the option buyer has been trapped and the stop loss was entered. For protect my stop loss, I keep 6 rupees less than that 179. Even though I put 6 rupees less, they take my stop loss. If I put 170 also, they may take my stop loss, and then they went up. If the market rallied towards up after the stop loss taken, I did not book my profit here because my 1:2 risk reward ratio was not awarded, because I entered the trade at 195 rupees and my stop loss was 170. So I need 50 rupees profit. Here I did not get 50 rupees profit, only I get 20 rupees profit. That's why I did not close my position here and here. I just wait for my 1:2 risk reward to be awarded. But market was in consolidation phase in sideways, so it not move that much. So my stop loss was hunted here. Even though I keep open it, here it was hunted. So there is no point in talking about in exit around 1:40 p.m. But the thing is, if I made a loss, those who are doing straddle and strangle, they will make huge profit, because they want market to be consolidated between 40 to 50 points. We want market to be rallied towards up direction or down direction. In any direction, not an issue, but market to be rallied from some point to more than 100 to 120 points. Then only we can able to make a profit, or else those who are trading in straddle and strangle, they will make huge profit. Here I am testing for the gap down gap up opening strategy, but it was all this order I took for make some hedging position for Monday. I believe market going to open in gap down on Monday. To catch up that gap down points, I try to make some hedging position, but it was not happen because I have insufficient fund in my account. So I just closed all position. What as I planned, I sold one lot of future. For covering that, I plan to buy one lot of 16,200 call option. If market opens in gap down more than 200 points, my future give me 200 points profit. For my call option, it gives only 100 points loss. Maybe I ended with 100 rupees into 50, 5,000 rupees profit. If market opens flat, my call option may reduce 10 to 20 points, but my future remains same position. I just want to try this, but it was failed due to my insufficient fund. No problem, we will try it later days and I will update about this trade. The technical began the trade. After seeing this bearish pin bar, Bank Nifty faced resistance as R2 and came down. I tried to enter in this candle close, but there was a support at Nifty, so I just entered at this candle close. I plan to exit at day high or top CPR, here or here, but market was in consolidated mode and it bounced back to my entry level. Anyhow, I ended with 1,255 rupees as a loss, because today the participation of FAS and DA is very less. That's why the market was in consolidation phase. Anyhow, I will with good profit in Monday. Let us check. I hope this candle going to be act as a huge resistance for upcoming week. Until Thursday, market will not break 16,278. I will share the reason later, but I hope the market will not break this candle until Thursday. It's going to be a huge resistance for upcoming week. Let us check whether my prediction will be correct or not in Thursday.